welcome to another motovlog on my channel. My name is Marshall3498. Today's motovlog, what I'd like to talk about is somewhat motorcycle related, but related to motovlogging more than anything, and motovlogging style channels. I recently had to switch to the B camera, what you're seeing there, and that is a GoPro Hero 7 Black, because my old faithful GoPro Hero 4 Silver, just a few days ago I was trying to make a motovlog, and it decided, and it was working and recording and all that, and I was watching the timer on the front screen, and a few minutes later I look back down at the screen and it says SD card error, and I'm like, that's not good. So I ended motovlog stuff for the day, because like now, oh no, not road construction, the joys of summertime in the south. And this guy's not even looking, so I don't know if I'm supposed to stop or not. Okay, anyways, so it died, so and it froze like that. I got home, pulled the battery out, turns off, thinking maybe that'll hard reset it, so to speak. It won't. I mean, it literally wouldn't do anything. And after that, instead of reading SD card error, all it said was GoPro Hero 4 Silver on the front screen, that one, the one by the camera lens. And after that, it wouldn't do anything else. It wouldn't finish booting up all the way. So I thought, well, whatever. I was wanting to upgrade anyway, so both cameras look about the same resolution and sharpness and detail and all that stuff. So, but that camera, I can't complain. I bet you that camera's made at least 250 videos, and probably at least 150 of them are on this channel right now, before I went to GoPro Hero Black with the media mod. So I really can't complain, but it does suck. But like I said, I was kind of looking to upgrade anyway. The main reason I went with the GoPro 4 Silver is where the feet are fixed, unlike the GoPro Hero 8. That way I could run a skeleton case with the, like what's on it now, what comes with it. And that way I can run ND filters and wouldn't be limited to the selection of ND filters. So, whatever. But, as far as like the 8 having like a second stable image stabilization, like 2 levels of it, for motovlogging purposes, there's not a whole lot of difference. Both take the same batteries. Although I did buy the one on Amazon, I bought a refurbished one to come with an extra battery, and I marked with a silver Sharpie on the battery, because I have 2 for that, 3 for the one in my face, or my helmet I should say, and I just won't miss and match the batteries just for general purposes, I guess. I don't know. Sorry about the traffic, but it is Friday afternoon at 4:26, so it's pretty much everybody's rush hour. You're gonna get some school buses today. I don't know. Anyways, I just wanted to ride and go make some motovlogs and forget about the work week, even though I have to work tomorrow, but whatever. That's beside the point. I was looking to upgrade that anyway. Like I said, it just sucks that it happened abruptly. If it had happened after I bought the other one, I really wouldn't use it anymore, so whatever. It is what it is. But plus that is, since both the same battery, both take the same charger, so I don't have to buy another charger for the 8 and the 7. So that's one good thing. But the main topic today, what I really want to talk about is, more than anything, is maybe after Christmas, say in early 2022, I'm going to buy a Canon M50. I've been looking at reviews, what not to buy, what to buy. Mainly just like I can have a nice camera to go out and take still photos, and that way it makes, I know it like cuts off after 25 minutes of video and you have to restart it, but whatever. That's not that big of a deal. That way I can start doing some product reviews, like of gear in the garage with the bike behind me set on a tripod, and maybe a little bit of how-to maintenance, just whatever comes to mind that is motorcycle related topic. And I will announce today, for those of you who are still watching, anybody interested in any kind of hunting, wildlife stuff, I have started a second channel, and right now it's really just trail cam stuff. I'll leave a link to that channel on the down below. It's called East Tennessee Wildlife. If you do a YouTube search, it pulls up that way. It's mainly from a friend of mine, 2 cameras we have. getting ready for deer season and just watching what's coming in there. And once deer season starts, I'm going to try to put one of the GoPros on my bow and take a little bit of footage that way, especially if something walks my way when I actually have the camera turned on. So we'll see how that turns out, but right now it's just a fun thing. There's only 7 subs, whatever. There's a couple bear, one bear on there a couple times, a fox, a coyote, bunch of raccoons, turkeys, several deer. So whatever, thought I'd announce that. I've been meaning to announce that on video, and if I just put the link down in the description, even my people that watch me a lot are gonna be like, what is this channel? So it's my second channel, and it's just for fun right now. If it grows into something cool, if not, there's some drone footage of some pretty area around here, and I do have some drone footage from snow last year in 2020 that I've yet to put on there, but yet I think I'm gonna wait till it's colder, or at least fall, to do that. That way everybody gets in the winter spirit. People don't really want to see snow when it's summertime, in my opinion, so whatever. But just thought I'd make that announcement, get everybody's thoughts, opinions. Like I said, once I'm able to purchase that camera, I will start doing some stuff in the garage. Like, mainly you can see the gear that I wear. I could talk about it, do a long-term review on my winter and summer set of riding gear, and that way you can get more of an idea of the fit and what it looks like. And you can put stuff all day on like what I do, a lot of my views to Revzilla, but if you can't show the person, feel like the review is just you riding down the road, and it's not as well a review. So whatever. But on that, guys, thanks for tuning in to today's motovlog. If you've not already done so, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. I'll be open to any suggestions. The camera thing, the M50, I've got pretty much set in my head what to do, but I've not figured out external mic or lapel mic wireless yet, even though there are some fairly cheap options out there for like 150 bucks that I've seen, but I can't remember the name brand. So on that, guys, sorry to get off topic. Ride safe, have fun. We'll see you in the next one. See ya.